This hike is only about half a mile long. It's not really difficult. There is a well-maintained path along everything you're seeing here, but it's very easy with the right kind of shoes and clothing to get near the water and kind of scramble down all the cascades and small waterfalls. It's really quite lovely and not that hard with low flow. I will say in the wintertime, um, it would probably not be smart to get down in this area. The water is a lot colder and much higher. If you stick to the path, you can be down to Silver Falls and back pretty quickly. It's only 1 mile round trip to the bridge and viewpoint of Silver Falls. If you get in the creek bed like I did and want to take some different pictures, you can probably add at least another hour to that time. Silver Falls is a beautiful little area. The water is a little cool, so if you're squeamish around cold water, you might not like getting in, but I will tell you this area just past the falls and even downstream a little further is stunning. And that's it.